They don't usually tell you this, but after 60, your muscles aren't just getting weaker. They're quietly disappearing. And it's not because you're lazy or skipping the gym. This is a slow, invisible process called sarcopenia, and it affects nearly 1/3 of adults over 60, with half of people over 80 experiencing noticeable muscle loss. Weak muscles aren't inconvenient. They increase your risk of falls, make daily tasks harder, and steal your independence. Here's the shocking part. The trillion-dollar anti-aging and supplement industry has turned muscle loss into a business. Protein powders, expensive shakes, and miracle supplements promise strength, but often deliver very little. The real solution? Ordinary vegetables. Yes, the ones in your local grocery store can contain compounds that switch on your body's natural muscle repair systems, even in aging cells. Scientists have discovered that certain vegetables can improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, fuel your muscles with steady energy, and even mimic some effects of resistance training at the cellular level. This video will reveal the 5 most powerful vegetables that help rebuild muscle naturally. We'll start with the simplest, often overlooked ones, and move to the most potent, backed by clinical research and real-life results from seniors like you. By the end, you'll see that regaining strength isn't about spending hours at the gym or buying every supplement on the shelf. It's about feeding your muscles the right signals, through food you can find at any grocery store. Before we start, where are you watching from today? Drop a comment below. We read and reply to every single one. You're not alone. Let's dive in. If your legs feel heavy, your knees wobble, or walking up a flight of stairs feels like climbing a mountain, the solution might start with a humble root: the beet. Most people think building strength is all about lifting weights or drinking protein shakes, but the truth is, your muscles can't repair themselves if they aren't getting enough oxygen and nutrients. As we age, our blood vessels stiffen and circulation slows. Even with a good diet or daily walks, your muscles may be starving at a cellular level. That's where beets come in. They're packed with natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This compound relaxes and widens your blood vessels, boosting oxygen delivery, enhancing nutrient absorption, and reigniting the muscle repair process. A 2020 study in the Journal of Gerontology found that older adults who consumed concentrated beet juice before walking showed nearly 40% better oxygen circulation in their muscles and significant improvements in endurance and recovery. Take the story of Martin, a 68-year-old retired postal worker from Oregon. For years, he noticed his legs would feel heavy and tingly, especially in the mornings. Walking his dog or climbing the stairs left him winded. His doctor chalked it up to age and suggested gentle stretching. But Martin wanted something practical and natural. He blended raw beets into his morning smoothie on a whim, masking the earthy flavor with pineapple and ginger. Within a week, he felt his feet warmer, the tingling faded, and his steps became lighter. 2 weeks later, he walked his dog around the block without stopping, something he hadn't done in months. By the 4th week, he noticed his balance improved, and climbing stairs felt almost effortless. His muscles weren't magically stronger. They were finally being nourished by improved circulation. To get the full benefit, avoid overcooking. Boiling or roasting can destroy over 60% of the nitrates. The best approach is raw, grated, lightly steamed, or as cold-pressed juice without added sugar. Even a simple half beet in a smoothie or shredded into a salad with olive oil and lemon can make a difference. Beyond muscle strength, beets help lower blood pressure, reduce arterial stiffness, and even support better sleep by keeping blood flowing evenly at night. For anyone over 60 feeling their strength slipping, beets aren't just a vegetable. They're a fast, natural way to feed starving muscles and regain confidence in your legs. If you're over 60 and find yourself drained after a simple walk, or feeling wobbly by mid-afternoon, your muscles may not get the needed fuel. The problem isn't just aging, it's often poor glycogen storage. Glycogen is the form of energy your body keeps in your muscles, ready for movement and repair. Without it, your muscles tire faster, recover more slowly, and gradually lose strength. Enter the sweet potato. Often considered comfort food, this orange tuber is a powerhouse for aging muscles. Packed with complex carbohydrates, potassium, antioxidants, and beta-carotene, sweet potatoes provide slow-burning energy that keeps muscles fueled. They also help stabilize insulin, which is crucial for moving amino acids, the building blocks of muscle, into your cells. A 2021 study in Nutrients showed that older adults who consumed antioxidant-rich tubers like sweet potatoes experienced nearly 30% less muscle oxidative damage, improving protein synthesis and slowing sarcopenia progression in just 6 weeks. Take Eleanor, a 72-year-old retired schoolteacher living in Seattle. After retiring, she noticed her legs trembling when she stood too long and felt fatigued after grocery trips. She cut back on processed foods and added more vegetables, but something still felt off. A neighbor suggested swapping white rice and pasta for roasted sweet potatoes. Eleanor started baking them with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a drizzle of olive oil. Within 2 weeks, she noticed her legs felt steadier and she no longer crashed after lunch. By a month, she was walking around her neighborhood with her friends again, her energy more consistent throughout the day. The magic isn't in calories or protein, it's in energy regulation. Sweet potatoes help your muscles maintain a steady supply of glycogen, prevent post-meal crashes, and support recovery after movement. They're also rich in magnesium and manganese, minerals that aid muscle contraction and bone strength, helping prevent cramps and soreness. For maximum benefit, eat them roasted or steamed with the skin on, and skip the marshmallows or heavy butter. Even a medium sweet potato at lunch or dinner can make a noticeable difference in energy, balance, and muscle function. Over time, your legs feel stronger, your endurance improves, and your muscles recover faster from daily activity. For seniors who've been told that muscle loss is just a part of getting older, sweet potatoes offer proof that it's not permanent. With a simple, delicious dietary change, you can fuel your muscles, stabilize your energy, and reclaim strength you might have thought was gone for good. Imagine a vegetable that can tell your muscles how to grow without a single dumbbell. That's what spinach does. For seniors struggling with strength loss, this leafy green contains potent compounds called phytosteroids, which act like gentle growth signals for aging muscle cells. Even muscles that have grown weaker over the years can respond, helping restore firmness and function. One of the key compounds in spinach, 20-hydroxyecdysone, has been studied for its ability to stimulate protein synthesis in muscle tissue. A 2021 study in Archives of Toxicology found that adults who consumed this compound daily increased lean muscle mass by more than 10% in 10 days, without changing their exercise routine. For seniors, that kind of cellular boost can mean the difference between walking independently or needing a cane within a year. Take the example of Janet, a 71-year-old retired nurse living in Boston. After recovering from a minor knee surgery, she noticed her arms and legs felt weaker than before. Carrying groceries or climbing stairs left her winded, and she felt frustrated by the slow pace of recovery. Her grandson, studying nutrition, suggested adding spinach to her diet, raw in smoothies, lightly sautéed with garlic, or blended into soups. At first, Janet was skeptical. She hadn't eaten spinach daily in decades. But within 10 days, she felt a noticeable difference. Her arms were firmer, and lifting a grocery bag didn't feel like a chore. After 3 weeks, she climbed the stairs and began gardening again. Her muscles weren't magically regenerating, they were responding to spinach's signals at the cellular level. Spinach is also rich in magnesium, which helps reduce cramps and muscle twitching, and vitamin K, which strengthens connective tissues and supports muscle elasticity. The nitrates in spinach, like those in beets, improve blood flow, ensuring muscles get oxygen and nutrients when needed. Aim for 1 to 2 cups a day, lightly cooked or raw, for best results. Adding lemon or vinegar can enhance mineral absorption, while overcooking can destroy delicate nutrients. Even a simple spinach salad or smoothie can activate these muscle-building pathways. Spinach doesn't just feed your muscles, it gives them instructions to rebuild, repair, and grow stronger. For seniors feeling their strength slipping, this leafy green may be the most natural resistance training support you never knew you needed. If your joints ache, your muscles feel stiff, or you wake up sore in the mornings, it might not just be getting older. Chronic, low-grade inflammation is one of the silent culprits behind age-related muscle loss. Over time, inflammatory molecules like interleukin-6 and C-reactive protein can break down muscle tissue faster than your body can rebuild. That's where red cabbage comes in. Red cabbage is packed with anthocyanins, the deep purple pigments that act as natural anti-inflammatories inside the body. A 2022 study in Frontiers in Nutrition found that older adults who ate anthocyanin-rich foods like red cabbage daily reduced oxidative stress markers by up to 40%, improving grip strength and walking speed within 4 weeks. Consider the story of Victor, a 70-year-old retired high school music teacher from Chicago. Victor had always loved walking and playing light tennis, but recently he noticed his thighs burning after a short walk and his arms shaking when carrying groceries. He'd accepted that his weakness was just part of aging, even while taking anti-inflammatory medication. One evening, his granddaughter suggested he try adding red cabbage to his meals. Skeptical at first, Victor started thinly slicing it into salads, lightly sautéing it with onions, and adding a bit to soups. Within 2 weeks, the stiffness in his hands and knees began to fade. By the 4th week, he was back on the tennis court and even helped move furniture at his granddaughter's apartment, something he hadn't done in months. He realized it wasn't age slowing him down. It was inflammation, and red cabbage helped calm it. Beyond reducing inflammation, red cabbage protects mitochondria, the tiny energy engines in muscle cells. When mitochondria are damaged by age or inflammation, muscles feel fatigued even after short walks. Anthocyanins stabilize these mitochondria, boosting energy output and helping muscles recover faster. Red cabbage is also high in vitamin C, supporting collagen production for connective tissue, and its fiber content promotes gut health, which plays a key role in controlling systemic inflammation. For best results, eat red cabbage raw or lightly steamed. Braising with a splash of vinegar enhances antioxidant activity, and pairing it with healthy fats like olive oil improves nutrient absorption. Even half a cup daily can start reversing the slow, silent muscle erosion caused by inflammation. Red cabbage is more than a colorful vegetable for seniors. It's a natural, affordable tool to fight the hidden inflammation that quietly drains strength and stamina. If you've been struggling with muscle weakness, fatigue, or slow recovery, watercress is the most powerful vegetable you might never have heard of. Tiny, peppery, and often overlooked, watercress is packed with nutrients that directly support muscle regeneration, reduce inflammation, and combat oxidative stress at the cellular level. Watercress contains over 50 unique bioactive compounds, including glucosinolates, vitamin C, calcium, and beta-carotene. Glucosinolates, in particular, signal aging muscle cells to regenerate, while antioxidants like lutein and quercetin neutralize harmful free radicals that damage tissue and slow repair. A 2019 study in Nutrients found that seniors consuming glucosinolate-rich vegetables like watercress had significantly higher muscle endurance and grip strength, with inflammatory markers dropping by nearly 46%. Meet Samuel, a 66-year-old retired carpenter living in Denver. He had always been active, walking, gardening, and doing light woodworking, But recently, he found his thighs and calves tightening by midday, and climbing stairs left him breathless. He tried increasing protein and stretching, but nothing made a difference. One day, a neighbor brought over a bag of fresh watercress from a local farm and suggested tossing some into his lunch salads. Skeptical, Samuel began adding a handful of watercress to soups, sandwiches, and smoothies. Within a few days, he noticed less stiffness in his legs, and after 2 weeks, he could walk to the local market without needing to rest. In a month, even his grip strength improved, allowing him to continue woodworking comfortably. Samuel realized it wasn't magic. It was cellular level nutrition, helping his muscles recover and rebuild efficiently. The best part about watercress is that it doesn't need heavy cooking. Eating it raw preserves its glucosinolates and antioxidants. Simply adding a handful to salads, blending it into a morning smoothie, or tossing it onto soups after cooking can deliver significant benefits. It also contains small amounts of natural nitrates, which, like beets, improve blood flow to muscles. For anyone over 60, watercress can be the spark that starts muscle recovery at the cellular level. It supports circulation, reduces inflammation, strengthens connective tissue, and helps muscles regain endurance and tone. Though small, it packs a punch that can change how your muscles feel and perform, often faster than supplements or exercise alone. If you feel like your strength is slipping, watercress is a simple, natural, and affordable way to wake up your muscles and reclaim mobility. A little each day can go a long way toward helping you feel stronger, steadier, and more energetic. Muscle loss after 60 isn't inevitable. It's gradual, silent, and reversible. The key is giving your body the right signals to repair, rebuild, and strengthen itself. The 5 vegetables we've explored: beets, sweet potatoes, spinach, red cabbage, and watercress, each target a different aspect of muscle health. Beets boost circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to starving muscles. Sweet potatoes provide steady energy and support protein synthesis. Spinach activates cellular pathways that stimulate muscle growth. Red cabbage fights inflammation that quietly eats away at strength. And watercress rejuvenates muscles at the cellular level while protecting against oxidative stress. Together, these vegetables create a natural, powerful system for restoring strength, balance, and energy, without relying on expensive supplements, gimmicks, or grueling workouts. Even small changes, like adding a handful of watercress to your salad or a slice of beet in your morning smoothie, can make a noticeable difference over a few weeks. Remember, strength isn't gone, it's waiting to be fed. Incorporating these nutrient-rich vegetables into daily meals can help you walk without fear of falling, easily climb stairs, and feel more confident in your body. If this video opened your eyes, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone you love over 60. Leave a comment about your experience, and subscribe for more science-backed tips to take control of your health naturally. Your muscles are listening, and the proper nutrition is the wake-up call they've been waiting for.